What is CSS? CSS Cascading Style Sheets is a style sheet language used to describe how a page that was produced in a markup language is presented. A style sheet, which is a set of rules for web browsers, can control an HTML or XML. All HTML tags, including the text in the document's body, headings, paragraphs, and other text elements, are styled using CSS. The display of grid components, table elements, and picture. Benefits of CSS. CSS is used to style all HTML tags, including the body of the document, headings, paragraphs, and other material. CSS can also be used to style how table components, grid elements, and images are displayed. Web developers use CSS to create responsive and accessible websites. CSS can make it easier for web developers to create websites that look good on all devices, including mobile phones and tablets. CSS can also help make websites more accessible to people with disabilities. CSS is easy to learn and use. Many tutorials and resources are available online, and anyone can start using CSS to style their web pages. Con of CSS. CSS can be challenging to debug. When there are errors in a CSS file, it can be difficult to track down the source of the problem, and it can be time-consuming to write. CSS files can be large and complex, and it can take a lot of time to create and maintain them. Overall, the CSS is a powerful tool that can be used to style web documents. However, it is vital to know the potential drawbacks before using it. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.